Good morning children, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Children, this is 3rd class maths. Today I am going to explain block 24, data handling 1. In this we have 4 topics. First, making a table. Second, make a pictograph. Third, block graph. Fourth, line plot. Now, in the part 1, I am going to do part 1 and part 2. In part 1, I am going to cover 1 and 2. In part 2, I am going to cover 3 and 4 children. Now, all of you open your maths readers and worksheets. Children, now I want to explain S1, making a table. So, children, here we have a table, favorite colors. So, in this we have color, tally marks and numbers. So, children, first color. Color is red. How many children will like red? 7 members in the class, they like the red color. So, now I am going to show how to mark the tally marks. So, here what number we have? We have 7. So, now in the place of red we have 7. So, now I am going to show how to mark the tally marks. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, children, now what we have to do is, first we have to make the 6 standing line. Because we have 7, so 6 standing line. In this, what we have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. With the slanting line, we have to cut this 4. Okay, children? So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this will be 5, 6 and 7. Okay, children? So, what we are cutting here, this is the tally mark. So, how many are left here? We have left it 2. Right, children? Coming to the next one, blue. How many members will like blue? 10. So, now what we have to do it is 4 standing lines and we have to cut this 4. So, how many it will be? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this will be 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 and we have to cut it. It will be 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 will be 10. So, got it children how to make the slanting line? Just what we have to do is, how many members are there? First we have to say, and according to that we have to draw the standing line, and after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 what we have to do is, we have to cut those 4, first 4. And what we are cutting, even that is also will counting. So, this is 5, 6 and 7. Right children? So, we have to make tally marks in this way. So, children, I hope you understood how to mark the tally marks. Now, I am going to explain in the reading. Children, all of you open your maths readers, page number 170, data handling 1. Making a table. A table organizes information connected from people to answer the questions. Tally marks are used for counting in a groups of 5. So, children, just now I showed you on the book that is groups of 5. So, use the table to answer the question below. Favorite colors. Colors, tally marks, numbers. So, here's red. Red, how many people will like? 7 members. So, now we have to make it group of 5. So, what they have done? 1, 2, 3, 4. They have cancelled and this is 5. 6 and 7. Right, children? So, they have made it the group of 5. So, how many are left? 2. So, blue. Blue also. 1. How many? 10 members. So, how many standing lines there are? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is slanting line 5. Right, children? 5 plus 5? 10. So, coming to yellow. Yellow, how many are there? 12. So, here 10. Sorry, here 5 and 5 will be 10 and 2. Right, children? Green. And green, how many? 6 members. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the slanting line will be 5 and 6. Right? Orange, 5. So, 5. So, group of 5 means what? For the 4 slanting line, you have to, the 4 standing line, you have to make one slanting line. So, this is for a standing line and this is slanting line. So, when you are cutting this, this will become group of 5. So, this is the making of tally marks. We have to make tally marks like this, children. Now, here number of children who like red color is 7. The color which is like the most is yellow because the higher number is 12. Number of children who like the color blue more than orange is 5. Right children? So here I hope you understood how to make the tally marks. Now all of you open your maths workbooks. Children, all of you open page number 40 in workbook. Put today's date, write today's date. S1, making a table. Ask 10 friends about their favorite snack and fill in the blanks. Ask 10 friends about their favorite snack and fill in the table. So here title, favorite snacks. Which do you like best? Number of students. So children, here we don't have students to ask the question, right? So now what I am doing is I am making with my own. So here what I am doing is, here number of students they asked. So idli. So I am writing casually children, like idli. 8 members will like idli. Okay. Dokla. I am making 6 members will like dokla. Samosa. Now samosa 12 members. Okay children, well according to this we are going to do this question answers. Children, now you can see here, now here only I am going to show how to make the tally marks. Here what number we have? 8. So now what we have to do it is, we have to draw 1, 2, 3, right? 4. And here it will become 5, 6, 7, 8. Right children? And here we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Right children? So you have to make tally marks like this. Now coming to the next one. Which snack is like the most? Which snack children here? Which is the higher one we have? We have samosa. So here samosa. Which snack is like the least? Which? Dokla. Which one is the less number? Dokla. So dokla you have to write it. And which snacks are liked by the same number of students? Which snack are liked by the same number of students? So same number of students, anyone is there? No. So we are going to leave this question. If not, we are going to write it. Here we have 8 and 6. So only 2 members extra they like the idli. So you can write it idli and dokla. Because only 2 members more they like the idli. So you can write it idli and dokla. How can we use this information to help us plan a birthday party? So this you have to do it by your own children. How can we use this information to help us to plan a birthday party? So what you can do with this tally marks, with these numbers, you can take the information. How you can take, for example, in your home you have 20 members you are inviting for the birthday party. So in that 8 members will like idli and 6 members will like dokla, 12 members will like the samosa. Or 30 members, for example, if you take 30 members, according to this you can make the information children. How many will like idli, dokla and samosa, and you can make the birthday party. So you can write it. We can order more samosas and more doklas, or if not, more samosa and idli for the birthday party. Okay, you can write it like that in this fifth one. So here you can write it by your own children here. Okay. So you can write it here. So this is a homework for you. Fifth one. How can we use this information to help us plan a birthday party? How many will like samosa? How many like will dokla and idli? With that information, you take 30 members. You are just inviting 30 members for birthday party and make the table, and you write it by your own children here. Here you can write it by your own. Already table is there. With that table you can do it. Already the table is there. With the help of table you can do it here, children. Okay. Children, I hope you understood S1. Now I am going to explain S2. Now I am going to explain S2, that is make a pictograph. So children, just now I have showed you tally marks, right? With the help of standing lines and slanting line we can make it with the help of number. But in the pictograph is nothing but only you have to draw the pictures. Pictures in the sense, here we have, see, a pictograph uses pictures to represent connected information. So here they gave the table, pictograph, days and books sold in a week. So here Monday, how many books with the help of pictograph? Pictograph in the sense, we have to draw pictures. So here how many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So books sold in a week is 6. 6 books in Monday. Tuesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Wednesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thursday 1, 2, 3, 4. Friday 4. Saturday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pictograph is nothing but we have to draw the pictures. Okay, books sold on Monday. How many? 6. 6 books. Number of more books sold on Wednesday than Tuesday. So how many? Here 8 and here 5. Right? So 3 books more on Wednesday. Days when books were sold in equal numbers. When? 4 and 4. Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday. So pictograph is nothing but you have to draw the pictures. That's it. Okay children? So children, now all of you open your workbook, page number 41. Children, write today's date. Is to make a pictograph. Pictograph is nothing but you have to draw the pictures. So the first one we have make a pictograph using the information from S1. So children, you know the S1, right? So in the S1 here, favorite snacks in my class. So children, now we are not doing the class, right? We don't have children in our class. You are all at your homes. So children, here with the help of S1 we have to make it. So here Igli, how many are there? You can see here Igli, 8 members, right? So now we have to draw 8 Iglis here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The Iglis will be in the round in shape only, no children? Now the next one, what we have done? Dokla we have in S1. You can see your S1 children. Here I am not able to show you because here we have to cover this S2 also. So here what we have? Dokla, how many are there? 6 it is. So now we have to draw 6 here. 6 dokla. So dokla will be in square in shape, right? With the help of scale also you can draw. I am drawing with the free hand, but you have to draw it with the scale, children. Six doklas. Next samosa, how many are there? 12 samosas. So here you have to write samosa and you have to draw 12 here. 1, samosa will be in triangle shape, right? 2, wait, I'll draw neatly, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My also going in cross. I don't like this. I'm going to rub and I'm going to draw. So children, here I have drawn samosa, children, here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 members will like samosa, children. So here samosa. So now the next one what we have, you have to draw like this. This is called pictograph, right? So here, what do you like better and a pictograph or a table by. You have to write it by your own, this question, right? What you will like? You will like a pictograph or a tally mark. Now third one, write the name of the snack that nobody likes. So children, here which is the least number of snack we have? Here 8, 6 and samosa 12. So dokla we have 6. So 6 members means very least number in the class. Dokla the children will like. So what we have to write it here means dokla is the snack that nobody likes in the class, right? So children, with this we have completed part 1. So children, I hope you understood S1 and S2. So now I am going to upload another video, that is part 2. In that I am going to cover S3 and S4 children. I hope you understood S1 and S2. Thank you.